that every Muslim should donate whatever possible in his capacity for the Palestinian cause. And while giving donation, the amount is not important, the percentage is important. And I always say that if a person who earned the $1,000 a month and he donates $100 for the Palestinian cause, he is donating 10% of his monthly income. On the other hand, if a billionaire who earns $1 billion a month, from that he donates $1 million for the Palestinian cause, $1 million of $1 billion is 0.01%, whereas $100 of $1,000 is 10%. So the person who earns the $1,000 and donates $100 for the Palestinian cause will get 100 times more sawab than a person who earns $1 billion a month and donates $1 million. Because $100 is 10% of his income, and $1 million of a person who earns $1 billion a month is 0.1% of his income.